Hi, third graders. Today we are going to be working with two targets. Our first target is that we can decide when and how to group in multi-digit addition. Our second target is going to be to practice adding money amounts. Here we go. Let's get started. Friends, we're going to start with getting a little bit of a warm-up.
There you see the answer for letter A. We already did that one with the new groups above method. We challenge you now to do letter B with the new groups above method. Go ahead.
Pause the video now for work, and then we will review the answer for B. All right, third graders, here's our answer for B. So we start in our ones place value, and then we're going to be working our way to the larger place values. So adding 4 plus 3 gives us 7. 8 plus 6 gives us 14. I carry my tens from my answer to our next place value. So then I'm adding 3 plus 1, which is 4. 4 plus 2 gives 6. Our answer is 647. Check your work, make sure that you got the same answer. If not, go back and try it again, making sure that we're warming up our brains for what's going to come next. Friends, our next problem is going to be letter C. I want you to use the all totals method. All totals method. So friends, this is where you're starting with the largest place value and then working your way to the right.
Pause the video now. Alright, as you can see, we solved C using the all totals method. We found the first total for the hundreds, then the total for the tens, then the total for the ones, and we added them together. It's really, really important that you have your place values lined up, because there's a good chance that if you didn't get it right, they were out of order. Alright, for letter D, it's up to you. You can pick your favorite method, but it has to be one of these two, and you have to show your work either way. Go ahead. Pause the video now.
Welcome back, math scholars. As you can see, for letter D, we have solved it. Our answer is 787. Making sure again that you got the same answer. If not, go back and try it again.
So now I need you to come up with the word problem to go with problem A. I can see that there is an addition sign right here, so that tells me that I'm looking for something with a sum. So some words you might use would be total or altogether. So go ahead and come up with a word problem. And if it's a good one, if you think that you made a problem that's worthy of showing your classmates, which we hope you did, then please go ahead and turn that into your teacher, and maybe you will see it come up on an assignment or something in the future. We're going to give you a little time to do this, so go ahead and pause the video, and then once you are finished and have turned it in, then you can go ahead and move on to the next one. Alright, so here we see our lunchtime diner menu, and we have some sandwiches, some sides, and some drinks. Well, I sure am hungry, and I'm not even thirsty, so I'm just going to pick two things to get that are food. So let's see, maybe a sandwich and a side. Grilled cheese sure sounds good, so I'm going to write down $2.39, and I'm writing neatly and separating my place values. Next, I'm going to get some fruit on the side, so I'm going to write my dollar again, and then I need to make sure I put my 0 in for the the hundreds, and then I have 66 cents. Now I'm looking for the total of these two items, so that's a sum, and I'm going to be adding. I'm going to start with my 9 and 6 and add them together with the new groups above method. 9 plus 6 is 15. I always need to remember to carry my 1. 6 plus 3 plus 1 is, 3 plus 1 is 4. I know that 4 plus 6 is 10, so I'm breaking it apart to equal tens. That's a trick. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. I need to make sure that I carry my decimal down in the same spot and my dollar sign to get my final answer. To show that it's final, I will circle it. Okay, that's a little preview of what you're going to be doing. Let's get started.
All right, third graders, it's your turn. You are going to use the menu to solve. Go ahead on your sheet of paper, show us your work. Number 1 says Mr. Jackson ordered a grilled cheese sandwich and an iced tea. How much did his order cost? Go ahead and solve now. All right, third graders, we solved this using the new groups method. Our answer is $3.51. Make sure that your answer matches ours, even if you used the other method. If you did not get the answer correct, go back and re-watch part of the video to make sure you're understanding and with us. If you got the answer correct, here comes another example.
This time you will be adding some other items from the menu. It says, Mrs. Lynn ordered a glass of lemonade and a chicken sandwich. How much did she spend? It looks like we're looking for another total. Pause the video now and be sure you show your work and circle your answer.
All right, third graders, our answer is $4.98. Did you get it correct? If not, go back and retry it again so that we are all on the same page. If you did get it correct, time for your last example. Here we go. Number 3, it says choose a method. Kurt and Anna ordered 2 salads. Think of a fast way to find the total cost. Describe your method. Remember to show your work, friends. Pause the video now.
All right, third graders, so we use the new groups above method again, and we showed that our answer is $1.96. And we're going to circle that to make sure somebody who looks at my work knows which answer was my final answer. Okay? Also, it says think of a fast way to find the total cost. So if you can, think about why your method was a fast way. And maybe if it wasn't that fast, you can reconsider and next time pick one that works better for you. So we're going to talk about guess and check now. Sometimes the strategy is a helpful one to use. Remember, it says guess and check. You can't just guess. You always have to check. It says, let's see, this is a reason why you would use it. So you want to buy a pair of shoes, but you don't know what size you wear. So you could make a guess and try a pair on and see if it fits. If it doesn't fit, you know whether you need a smaller size or a larger size. Then you use what you learned to try another pair.
Ms. Anderson, that seems like a really good real-world example.
I think it is. So then when we're solving math problems, sometimes we begin by guessing the answer and seeing if it works. And if it doesn't, then we'll use what we've learned and try again. So today you might be working on this guess and check strategy a little more. Here is an example. We'd like you to try this example out before you finish the video today. And then we will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.